Suppose the room has 6 dolls, 5 teddy bears, 8 cowboys, and 4 rubber ducks. 2 of each toy will be selected to form a committee bent on cuddly world domination. How many such committees can be formed? All right, take a minute. Try to see if you can do this one on your own. All right, let's see how you did. Now, the most common mistake that students make, and let me write this down, is they say, well, you have 6 dolls, 5 teddy bears, so that's 11, plus 8 more is 19, plus 4 more is 23. All right, so out of the 23, if we need to pick 2 from each group, and that means, and there's 4 groups, that means there's 8 total toys that we're picking. And they figure out what that is, and they call it a day. Why can't you do it this way? What's wrong with this thought process? Right. It does not ensure that you pick 2 from each group. You might pick all 8 cowboys when you pick your 8 toys, and that's not good because then you neglected the dolls, the teddy bears, and the rubber ducks. We need to make sure that you pick 2 from each group. Okay, so let's talk about how do we pick 2 from each group. Go ahead. Good. So out of the 6 dolls, we're going to pick 2. Out of the 5 teddy bears, we're going to pick 2. Out of the 8 cowboys, we're going to pick 2. And out of the 4 rubber ducks, we're going to pick 2. Good. So this gives us 4 numbers here. What do we do with those 4 numbers? Why don't we add them? What word is implied here? It's not stated, it's implied. It sounds like the word hand. And is implied. Why? Because you have to pick 2 dolls and 2 teddy bears and 2 cowboys and 2 rubber ducks. So you're going to find the 4 individual numbers and multiply them together because and is occurring here. Because you're doing a task, you're doing multiple tasks, and the individual combinations represent the number of times you can perform each task. So guess who came back to say hello? It's section 2.1. And that's going to happen anytime and is stated or implied along with you are doing a task multiple times. All right. If you want to find the individual numbers and multiply them together, that's cool. Okay, you got 15 times 10 times 28 times 6. Is that what you said? You got 25,200. So there's 25,200 different committees that can be formed under these restrictions. Either way, I like this problem.